What's it say right there? What's that say? Intel inside. And I'm just sitting here fucking with this thing, and it's so goddamn slow. I can't do anything, like literally. So I'm looking. Oh, Samsung, they did the battery. Okay, cool. Where's the Intel? Where's the Intel? Is it the CPU? No, because this thing doesn't. Oh, that was my tablet. I don't know what kind of CPU this thing has in it. I mean, that's the heatsink for it. But as you can see, it's riveted. So next to breaking this motherfucker, that ain't gonna happen. I could try take off the screws and see if maybe on the flip side there's anything else. But so far, not that motherboard, which is this whole thing. No Intel. I don't believe the heatsink was made by Intel. Neither was the battery, nor the screen. So what was made by Intel? What was... Oh, what's that? Come on, you shit. There you go. So, what was made by Intel is... this fucking thing. What is this, you ask? Well, if I'm not mistaken, it is the Wi-Fi. So the only thing in here made by Intel is how you connect to the motherfucking internet. That's crazy. Long story short, don't get tricked by the big names, because half the time it could just be one thing in there that's from that company that you think is a good, reputable company that makes you want to buy their thing. Now, don't get me wrong, I've had this Chromebook for probably a couple years now, and it's still working. It's just super fucking slow. You can't really do anything. It's cool if you want to just browse the internet. If you're gonna just browse the internet and do absolutely nothing else, get a Chromebook. But if you want any user ability, even scrolling on the internet and doing that will sometimes give you a hard time in these Chromebooks. They're absolutely worthless, in my opinion. But that's just my opinion. Have a good day.